Hello everybody, so today I got here is another Hot Wheels video. So this one is pretty cool. Just so you know, this is going to be called Skate Groom. As you can see on the bottom there, it says Skate Groom. The reason why it's skate is because it looks like a skateboard with a Tony Hawk on top, so that's pretty cool. And just so you know, the color is pink, so that's pretty cool. A little Hot Wheels set here. Just so you know, it is a collectible 1 out of 5. And then there is the back. It really doesn't matter. But yeah, this is what the Hot Wheels look like. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and show it to you guys today. So I'm going to quickly open this real quick. There we go. And it's just super easy. I got to get my knife here. I got to get it to open this up. Because sometimes I hate it when it does that. Alright, put that on the side. Take it all out. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the package. As you can see, it's pretty cool. It just shows you the Tony Hawk on top of the skateboard, so that's pretty cool. And then that's what the skateboard looks like with the logos and everything. And then here's the back of the car too, so that's pretty cool. It's not bad at all for this Hot Wheels today. And of course, it has a nice balance to it when you try to test it out, kind of like this. Has a nice balance to it, so that's pretty cool. It has a nice, pretty cool Tony Hawk skateboard here for you today. I do also like the wheels of this thing. It's pretty cool too. So yeah, that's pretty much it today about this item for this Hot Wheels. If you want to see more, just leave a like and subscribe. And I want to say thanks for watching.